guys, are you wondering how you can add music to your Instagram stories? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Seynt from Seynt.com and I am a social media manager and content creator for small businesses. And I love making videos for you guys, sharing with you tips, tricks and tutorials on how you can boost your Instagram game. So if this is the type of content that you are into, then consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Alright, let me show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. So first of all, you need to open up your Instagram app and then go to the right hand corner, top corner, and select that little camera and then take a photo. And on the top where that smiley face is, tap on that and then you will see in the center that says music, and then just pick a song that you're loving right now. And there's moods as well. You can see what songs are under fun. You've got here Bruno Mars and Drake, and then you can go through the different genres as well. So I'm just gonna go with popular, all the popular songs right now, and let's just do the typical Kiki song, and it allows you 15 seconds and you can like move it around so that you can like select which part of the song you want played for the Instagram story, and then in here you can stop, pause and play as well, and then once you're done, you can, I don't know, put it somewhere in the right hand corner or something like that. If you don't want it on your photo, you can always just swipe it to the side just to hide it, and it will still play the music. Cool. And now moving on to if you want a video. So again, open your Instagram app and then go to music. I'm gonna select I Like It by Cardi B this time around, and then move to, I don't know, like select a section of the song and then start filming. And again, that's pretty easy, and then you can share it in your stories. And that's that. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite song at the moment and what is the type of tunes that you would add to your Instagram stories. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video.